everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tabitha. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so down below and give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. So today's video is going to be an empties video. We're just going to go through some products that I have used up and if I would repurchase them or if I recommend them. I don't have as many products to share with you as I did in my last empties video. That video just ended up being way too long and it was just a lot of stuff. So I'm going to try to go through a little bit earlier this time so I don't have quite as much stuff and it's not like an overload. So hopefully this video won't be too long. So if you guys want to see all of my empties, then let's just go ahead and get started. I have mostly like body care, skin care, hair care kind of products this time. I don't have as much makeup just because it does take me a little bit longer to go through makeup, but I do have some makeup, so just a disclaimer. Alright, so I've got all of the products here in this Target bag right here. Like I said, it's not as near as many products as it was last time. I guess we can try to do this in kind of like an order. I'll go through like skincare and stuff first so I can keep this bag on my lap without everything falling. So I do have some like makeup removing type of products. I've got a Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. My last video I had like 4 of these because I waited so long to do that video, but I just have one. This time I'm going through one right now and I love this stuff. There's not too much to say about it. It does a great job of removing your makeup. It cleanses your skin. It's really quick and easy to use. It feels like water, doesn't burn my eyes or anything like that, and I just really love this stuff. I go through it super quickly. The next thing is some makeup removing wipes. I thought I had 2 of these, but I guess I just have one. I know I went through more than one though since I started this bag. I just probably didn't keep them all. This is the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. These are the fragrance-free ones. I love these. These are my favorite makeup remover wipes I've ever used. Some people don't like them. I personally think they get all my makeup off better than any other makeup wipes I've ever used because I've used other ones from the drugstore, like the micellar ones from Simple and a lot of other ones that people really love. These just do the best job, in my opinion, of getting my makeup off. Some people think they're oily. In my opinion, they're not really oily. They do have a little bit of like a residue, but it doesn't really annoy me and it comes off really easily. So I always cleanse my skin after I take my makeup off anyway, so it doesn't really bother me. They don't have a weird smell because they're fragrance free and I just love these. They're my favorite. Okay, so I have some skincare next. The first product is a cleanser. This is the Purity Made Simple One-Step Facial Cleanser. This is what the bottle looks like, if that will focus. It's just a clear bottle, but the liquid inside is like kind of like a light yellow liquid. It took me quite a while to go through this just because this is a really huge tub. I do like this facial cleanser. I still have a small one that I use for traveling. I think it's really great. It's really easy. It takes all your makeup off and it's just really simple. I didn't repurchase it just because I have another one that I'm currently going through that I like a lot as well, and it's also very easy, simple, doesn't break me out. So I like this one, especially if you want something gentle that a lot of people like, and I've never heard that this breaks anyone out. So it is a good one. I just have kind of been switching more to a little bit more natural stuff, and I like the one that I'm using, which is one from Simple. So I'm not going to repurchase it right now. I might repurchase it in the future. I don't know. But it's just not like mind-blowingly amazing or anything. Next, I have a facial scrub. This is the Acure Brightening Facial Scrub. This is a little bit more of a natural brand. Like I said, I'm trying to switch to a little bit more natural stuff. I have a moisturizer from this brand that I'm really liking right now as well. This is a really great facial scrub. I really enjoyed it. It's kind of like a dark green color because it's an argan extract and chlorella facial scrub. So chlorella is like a green substance. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but it smells like vitamin C. It feels really nice and cleansing and exfoliating, obviously. I liked that the beads felt really scrubby kind of. If you like something a lot more gentle, you might not like this because it is a little bit intense. It's nothing crazy, but it's just not super gentle, which I personally like because I just like to get all the dirt and gunk out of my skin when I'm exfoliating since I don't do it a ton. So yeah, I really like this one. It's really affordable. I got it at Target. Definitely recommend. For the next, I have some moisturizers. I've got 3 here. I have the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Cream. This one comes in a little tub, and that's what it looks like. I liked this. I thought it was really great. Again, switching to some more natural products, but I thought this was really good. It didn't break me out. It felt really thick and moisturizing. The next one is the Korres Pomegranate Balancing Cream Gel Moisturizer. This is for oily combination skin, and I do have like normal combination skin, I would say. I did really like it for like a day-to-day moisturizer just to use in the morning before makeup. I think it's really great for that. I thought it smelled absolutely amazing. It smells so good. It's not cheap by any means, but this is just a small size that I got from Sephora and I did really like it. But like I said, since I've been switching to more natural skincare brands, I went through a Nourish organic face cream. This is the ultra hydrating one in argan and pomegranate for normal to dry skin, and this is definitely by far my favorite one. Not just because it's more natural. I got this at Walmart. It's organic, completely natural ingredients, and I know you can get it online as well, like on Amazon or something. I just think it works amazing. I've talked about it before, like I said, on my channel, and I went through a whole one. I will definitely repurchase this. I'm going through a different one right now, but once I'm done with that one, I will definitely be repurchasing this. It's my favorite moisturizer that I have ever used, and it might be like a little bit of a mind thing because it is more natural, but it's so moisturizing and thick and like hydrating without feeling like greasy on the skin. It's really hard to explain, but I feel like it's done the most for my skin. The other two didn't break me out, but I don't feel like they did as much for my skin as this one, so I really like it. I feel like I'm talking so fast in this video. Oh my gosh. Getting through some of this stuff, I have a body wash. This is from Dove. This is sulfate-free, deep moisture nourishing body wash. I don't have much to say about this. It's definitely not natural. I've been trying to go a little bit more that route. It's okay, but it's just a generic drugstore body wash that I wouldn't necessarily recommend. It did the job, but you know, not much to say. Next, I have two hair care products that I went through. You guys probably know how much I love Briogeo. It's definitely one of my favorite hair care brands. I love that it's a lot more natural, and they have so many different lines for so many different hair types. It's not like just for curly hair, which I do have naturally curly hair, or wavy hair, whatever you want to call it. But a lot of brands that are more natural sometimes cater to that, I feel like, because of the difference that people with curly, wavy hair see in their hair with natural products. So I feel like they kind of cater more to that. Briogeo has tons of different lines for tons of different hair types, like I said. It's absolutely amazing. This is the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream. Super long name, and this is the Briogeo Rosearco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I love both of these. This Curl Charisma product is amazing for curly hair. It's super smooth. It doesn't feel sticky. It did such a great job with frizz and making my curls look bouncy and defined. I love it. And then the Briogeo Rosearco Milk I think would be amazing for all hair types. It's moisturizing, but it's very light. It's nothing too thick or heavy. It's a very easy product to use, and I didn't find it weigh down my hair at all. I just felt that it helped with frizz and smoothed my hair. So I feel like this would be great for all hair types. And then I don't have too much else to go through. I'm on my last few products. The first product that I went through is the LA Girl Pro BB Cream. You guys know I've talked about this so much on my channel. This is my favorite BB cream. I absolutely love it. I will definitely be repurchasing this. I just feel like it's the perfect light coverage satin natural finish, and it looks great on my skin. I'm actually wearing it on my skin today, and I just feel like it looks so natural and just easy to use. I will say these shades run just a little bit dark. I'm actually wearing the shade Fair right now, and I wouldn't say that I have fair skin. In the wintertime, I do have a lot more light skin, but this fits me even in the summertime, and I'm a lot darker in the summertime, so I'm not exactly sure why the shade Fair fits me so well. Maybe it's the undertone, but I do feel like it's a little bit dark for what it is, so just keep that in mind when you're looking online if you decide to purchase this. Alright, so these are the last couple of products. I have some setting sprays. I've got the Skindinavia, the makeup finishing spray in Bridal. I went through this whole thing, did a really great job of keeping my makeup on all day. I did wear this on my wedding day, and I thought it did a great job. And then I also have the Skindinavia, the makeup primer spray. This was nice. I don't feel like it blew me out of the water though. If you're going to get one, I would recommend getting the setting spray, just because I don't feel like this was anything special. I liked it, I went through it, but it just wasn't anything like really great or really like that amazing, you know? And then the next one is the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, and I absolutely love this one. I like the Skindinavia one as well, but for the price, I just feel like this one's so much more worth it. You get 2.3 fluid ounces in this one, and then in the Skindinavia one, you get 4 fluid ounces. So, I mean, you do get like almost twice the product in the Skindinavia one, but you could probably buy like 3 or 4 of these before you would end up spending the price that this one is. I really liked it, but I feel like this one's really similar and it's like a third of the price. So I really like that one. I would totally repurchase it, but I do want to try the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray and the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Those are 2 that I really want to try, so I would probably try those before I would repurchase this one, just because I've heard really great things about them. So I don't know if those are better or not, but I do want to try them before I purchase the NYX one again. Anyway, those are all the products that I went through recently. I know it's not a ton of products, and I just didn't want this video to be too long because I do kind of tend to go on a rant about products. So yeah, that's everything from me today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Just on a side note, this is the first time I've straightened my hair since I cut it, and I like it, but I think I like this specific haircut a little bit better, like wavy or curly. I think to wear it straight, I would want it just a little bit more blunt than it is. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is angled. I think that I would want it a little bit more blunt to wear it straight. And even just in general, I just personally like something a little bit more blunt and straight. I don't know. I like it, but just wearing it straight for the first time today made me realize that. But anyway, probably most of you don't care about that. So today's random question of the day, I'm going to be trying something different. I saw someone else do this after I started my random question of the day thing. And basically, instead of asking their audience a question, they had their audience ask them a question. So I'm going to have you guys ask me a random question that you would like to know about me if you're at all interested in my life in the comments down below. And whichever comment gets the most likes, I will answer that question in my next video. Super random, super weird. Don't even know if anyone's going to be asking questions or if any of them will get any votes. So if that doesn't work out, I may just answer a random question, but we're going to try it and see how it works out for today's video. So leave me a comment down below, whatever you want to ask me, whatever you want to know about me, and we will see which one gets the most likes. If you haven't subscribed yet, like I said, be sure to subscribe down below. I really want to do a husband does my makeup tag when I hit 2,000 subscribers. So if you want to see that and you're interested in it, it's going to be a really fun video. Be sure to subscribe so we can get to that number and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. My arm is tired. This thumbnail thing is hard. That's it.